everyone, my name is Anmol and I am currently working as a data analyst in Ad and Analytics. Today in this video we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence in business intelligence. So AI is fundamentally transforming how we operate and the world around us. And working as a data professional, we have got many tools that allow us to work more quickly and intelligently than ever before. So what does this actually mean? What is AI in BI? That is, what is artificial intelligence in business intelligence? So data collection, analysis, reporting and insight production are the main focuses of business intelligence operations, and artificial intelligence in business intelligence help these and other BI features. So BI demands the capacity to manage extremely big data volumes. Additionally, AI performs best when it is fed up with massive amount of data that enhances the precision and efficiency of ML algorithms. In this way, BI and AI work seamlessly. And there are two most popular AI tools. One is known as ChatGPT and other one is Google Bard. Now let's discuss about the roles of AI in BI. The primary focus of AI in BI is faster and more accurate management of data sources and process that an organization perform for BI and analytics purpose. How AI contribute to improved BI depend on the type of process taking places, such as first one is data preparation, second is insight generation, then we have the query of data or we can say analytics, and the last one is real-time reporting and visual dashboard. We will discuss each one of them one by one. So let's begin with data preparation. Data analysts usually spend most of their time extracting and cleaning their data. AI automates the ETL data process and automatically monitor for input errors, formatting issue and duplications. Next one is insight generation. So AI has the ability to produce insights that human would have difficult. So next one is insight generation. So AI has the ability to produce insight that humans would have find difficult to extract from the large data set. Once the data is prepared and ready for processing, AI uses it to automatically derive insight. It uses machine learning algorithm to automate analysis and quickly generate insights which would take days and months if done by data scientists or analysts. The third one is allow querying of data. So analyzing large amount of data becomes much quicker when BI solution use integrated AI capabilities to enhance data analytics. AI makes it easy for users to ask questions and interact with the data with the help of natural language processing known as NLP. With the help of NLP, it takes in queries in the form of natural language, translate them into the machine language and then produce meaningful result and insight in the form of easy to understand language. This makes data analytics a two-way conversation wherein businesses can ask questions about their data and get answer in real time. And the last one is real-time reporting and visual dashboards. So AI within BI system can lead to enhanced real-time reporting and dashboards. When AI prepare and analyze the data, companies can rely on rapid, up-to-date insight on important KPIs and business matrices without the need for constant human surveillance. With AI, insights can be generated from data at the speed of thought. These insights can further be used to automate reports writing, saving a lot of manual effort in report generation. So what is the conclusion of AI in BI? Human cannot handle the volume and complexity of data being produced and used by enterprises across all the industries. So businesses have begun implementing the newest generation of AI in analytics to handle the data and enhance their operations. And combining AI with BI, platforms can help organizations analyze data more quickly and streamline their processes and increases the effectiveness of their data team. So this is about AI in BI. Thanks for watching.